The World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September every year. It is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm all over the world. We know that ozone layer saves our earth from the sun harmful UV ray effect. Ozone layer is presented in the stratosphere. Nowadays, ozone layer is becoming weak due to pollution. Some holes can be seen in ozone layer. The main aim of celebrating this day is to spread awareness about the ozone depletion. Planting more and more trees can be protect environment and ozone layer. We should decrease the use of plastic and vehicles to save our ozone layer. In schools and colleges, teachers informs about the ozone layer to the kids. Hope you enjoyed with me. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.